Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Sky Touching Art. This is day 2 of the Magical Strokes Challenge, and today I've created this little piece of joy. A handmade bookmark that carries more than just colors and brush strokes. It carries a feeling, a reminder, and maybe a little part of all of us. Have you ever smiled at your own artwork? Not because it's perfect, but because it reflects a piece of your soul. That's exactly what this piece made me feel. So many of our smiles, as artists, as dreamers, begin with something or someone that sparked a light in us. You see, as artists, we often think our value is measured by likes, views, or perfection. But the truth? Our value lies in our voice, our story, and our why. Even a simple bookmark like this one can hold deep emotion. A gentle character sitting peacefully beside blooming life. A symbol of stillness and growth coexisting. Art doesn't always have to be grand to be meaningful. Sometimes the simplest pieces hold the deepest truths. I remember the days I doubted myself. I'd stare at a blank page, feeling like I had nothing to offer. But I kept coming back to this. Drawing quiet moments, peaceful characters, small smiles. And somewhere along the way, I realized these gentle stories were my strength. Maybe you're there too. Maybe you're wondering if your soft, delicate art matters in a loud world. Let me tell you, it does. Because somewhere, someone is waiting for a quiet moment like this. To feel seen, to feel peace, to feel a smile that begins with you. If you've ever made art that made you feel better, you've already succeeded. If you've ever created something that made someone else smile, that's your magic. Whether it's on a canvas, a digital screen, or a little bookmark like this, your art doesn't have to shout. It just has to speak your truth. That's what the Magical Strokes Challenge is about. Not just drawing, but rediscovering the magic in our daily creativity. Even 5 minutes of art can reconnect us to who we are.
It's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky just to
Your challenge? Create that drawing, post it on Instagram, and tag me. I'll be mentioning and featuring your amazing entries throughout the month, so don't miss a day.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
So this is day 2, and this is my reminder to you. Keep creating. Even when it's small. Even when it's quiet. Your strokes are magical, not because of the result, but because of the soul behind them. If this little bookmark made you feel something, let me know in the comments. And if you're joining the challenge, I'd love to see what your magic looks like. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more art love every day this month.